Continuing our lectures on types of reactions, I'd like to do a short talk on gas evolving reactions, so that way you can easily identify them as a reaction that's occurring. So the big tip of our gas evolving reactions is you see bubbles, like you actually see the gas phase appear. And since it's gas evolving, it means we're not starting from gas only products as the physical state, or sorry, gas only reactants for the physical state of our reactants. So some gas evolving reactions will happen because of an ion exchange that takes place. We've got an example here of potassium sulfide and sulfuric acid, where we form potassium sulfate and hydrogen sulfide. And that hydrogen sulfide is, is a gas. And so what we would see in this reaction is when we combine our two aqueous solutions, we would suddenly see bubbling. And now hydrogen sulfide is a kind of gross smelling gas. I mean, it's one of these sulfur compounds, and so it's gonna smell kind of like eggs, rotten eggs. And so we would see bubbles and smell grossness for this reaction. Now, it can also occur when there's like a decomposition reaction that takes place as well. We might see an ion exchange, and we'll see products in water form. So we have sodium bicarbonate and hydrochloric acid form sodium chloride and carbonate right here. And so that, not carbonate, carbonic acid. And that carbonic acid will decompose into water and carbon dioxide. So it kind of breaks apart into these two molecules. And so then we'll see bubbling from this, and it'll be carbon dioxide that's bubbling. Now, we also see gas evolving reactions occur as a product of redox reactions as well. So there's a lot of different types of reactions, and a lot of times a gas evolving reaction can also be classified as another type. And so here's kind of a look at what you would see. So we would have two solutions that were aqueous, that were liquid, that when we combine them, we would see the evolution of these bubbles. And those bubbles are going to contain just one type of molecule, whatever is forming the gas in that space. And it'll form a bubble that then will rise and escape out the surface of the water. And so for these ones, my expectation is that you would just identify a chemical reaction as one that's a gas evolving reaction, either visually, you see bubbles, or if you're looking at a chemical reaction, you would identify it by seeing the gas state as a product that's not one of the reactants.